Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Towns County in northeastern Georgia, Lumpkin County in north-central Georgia, southeastern Gilmer County in north-central Georgia, northwestern White County in northeastern Georgia, northern Dawson County in north-central Georgia, northeastern Pickens County in north-central Georgia, Union County in north-central Georgia, southeastern Fannin County in north-central Georgia, until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:52 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Nimwil, or 8 miles north of Dawsonville, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dahlonega, Dawsonville, Iowa C, Blairsville, Young Harris, such as Amicalola Falls State Park, Blue Mountain Shelter, Gumlog, Titus, Woods Hole Shelter, Low Gap Shelter, Juneau, Fawcett Lake, Lenfoot Hike Inn, Vogel State Park, Stover Creek Shelter, Plum Orchard Gap Shelter, Turner's Corner, and McKee. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-763-4466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. The National Weather Service in